Okay guys, just open your settings, then select display, then you can see motion smoothness. That means the refresh controller can see high, that means 120 hertz 120 hertz, and standard, that means 60 hertz. Okay, currently I'm using high because it's very smooth and it's give you like a speedy phone, like, okay, so I'm using this high settings. You can also use high settings. There is not much battery draining or something. It's smooth. Okay guys, it'll be a very simple tutorial. Okay, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.